Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for engaging with your audience and driving conversions. However, the success of your email marketing efforts hinges on having a robust, targeted email list. Building such a list requires more than just collecting email addresses. It involves strategic planning, understanding your audience, and providing value. This video explores effective strategies for building an email list that will enhance your marketing efforts and drive business growth. Number 1, offer valuable incentives. People are more likely to give you their email addresses if they receive something valuable in return. Offering incentives is a powerful way to encourage signups. Here are some popular types of incentives: ebooks and guides. Create in-depth resources that address common problems or provide valuable insights related to your industry. Discounts and coupons. Offer exclusive discounts or coupon codes to new subscribers. Free trials or samples. Allow potential customers to try your product or service for free. Webinars and online courses. Provide access to educational content that helps your audience learn new skills or gain knowledge. Number 2, create compelling sign-up forms. The design and placement of your sign-up forms can significantly impact your subscription rate. Here are some tips for creating effective forms. Keep it simple. Ask for minimal information. Typically, a name and email address is sufficient. Clear call to action, CTA. Use strong, action-oriented language for your CTA. Instead of submit, use phrases like join now or get started. Visibility. Place sign-up forms in high visibility areas such as the homepage, blog posts, and pop-ups. Mobile friendly. Ensure your forms are optimized for mobile devices. Number 3, leverage content marketing. Content marketing is an excellent way to attract and retain a specific audience. By providing valuable and relevant content, you can encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. Here's how to do it. Blog posts. Write informative and engaging blog posts that address your audience's pain points. Include sign-up forms or CTA buttons within the content. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for reputable blogs in your industry. Include a link to your sign-up form in the author bio. Content upgrades. Offer additional valuable content related to your blog posts. For example, a downloadable checklist or a PDF version of the post can be provided in exchange for an email address. Number 4, utilize social media. Social media platforms are excellent tools for promoting your email list. Here's how you can leverage them. Promotions and contests. Run promotions or contests where entry requires an email subscription. Share sign-up links. Regularly share links to your sign-up forms on your social media profiles. Use social proof. Showcase testimonials and success stories to encourage sign-ups. Number 5, host webinars and live events. Webinars and live events are powerful tools for engaging with your audience and collecting email addresses. They offer a platform for providing valuable information while allowing you to connect with potential subscribers. Promote your events through your existing channels and require registration via email. Number 6, create a landing page. A dedicated landing page designed specifically for capturing email subscriptions can be highly effective. Here's what to include. Compelling headline. Clearly state the value proposition of subscribing. Benefits. List the benefits of joining your email list. Testimonials. Include testimonials from existing subscribers. Strong CTA. Make sure the call to action is clear and enticing. It should be a no-brainer. Number 6, use exit intent pop-ups. Exit intent pop-ups detect when a user is about to leave your website and display a targeted message to encourage them to subscribe. These can be effective because they capture attention at a crucial moment. Offer a compelling reason for them to stay and subscribe, such as a discount or free resource. Number 8, implement referral programs. Referral programs incentivize your existing subscribers to refer others to your email list. Offer rewards such as discounts, freebies, or exclusive content to subscribers who bring in new signups. This not only helps grow your list, but also leverages the trust between your current subscribers and their networks. Number 9, ensure compliance with data protection regulations. When building your email list, it's crucial to comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and CAN-SPAM Act. Here are some key practices. Obtain explicit consent. Ensure that subscribers explicitly consent to receive emails from you. Clear privacy policy. Provide a clear and accessible privacy policy that explains how you will use their data. Easy unsubscribe. Make it easy for subscribers to opt out or unsubscribe from your emails. Number 10, monitor and optimize your efforts. Regularly monitor the performance of your email list building strategies and optimize them based on your findings. Use analytics tools to track conversion rates, the percentage of visitors who subscribe, bounce rates, the percentage of visitors who leave your site without subscribing, engagement rates, how engaged your subscribers are with your emails. By analyzing this data, you can identify what's working and what needs improvement, allowing you to refine your strategies for better results. Conclusion: building an effective email list is a critical component of a successful email marketing strategy. By offering valuable incentives, creating compelling sign-up forms, leveraging content marketing, and utilizing social media, you can attract and retain subscribers who are genuinely interested in your offers. Additionally, hosting webinars, creating landing pages, using exit intent pop-ups, and implementing referral programs can further enhance your list building efforts. Remember to comply with data protection regulations and continuously monitor and optimize your strategies to achieve the best results. With these tactics, you can grow a high-quality email list that drives engagement and business growth. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.